Las Vegas'taki dünyanın en ulu teknoloji sergisi, yani CES 2026 devam ettiye. Yani Atavatan media olup sergiye katlaşacağız. Bir de yürüte çakılığı verdiler. Şimdi şu serginin çayaklarını biz Cemi, Kırkaoğlu, teknoloji, startup, emel intelekt kampanyalarıyla yürüte söhbetleşik geçirdik. Biz o söhbetleşiklerin hemmesini en kıyıkavatlı size Indi şu söhbetleşiklerin biri, yani esasanım maşgarası bilen halkara seyahat etken yolcular üçün elektrikli çemodan. Bu elektrikli çemodan bilen halkara seyahat edenizde ulu aeroportlarda çagaňyz, ýadamaz, şonuň üstüne gidip kilometrlerçe yol geçip biler. Aslında diğer çağlar üçün näl? Täbi yüzden gowraklar amly erkek bolsun, ýanam bolsun hemmelerim ötek bilýär. Ine bu firmanyň ýürüte wekili bize surup görkezdi. Ine şol barada da ingilis dilini düşündürşen berdi. Gelin şoňa tomoşa edelim.
Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to CES show. So this is a smart suitcase, and especially for carry-on and cabin size. And you can see this wonderful exterior design. And yeah. And just one click to be the scooter. It can automatically stretch in and stretch out. Just one click. Yes, pretty forward, pretty smooth. And let's check out the capacity storage space. Let me open it. Let's check out. So we got 3 different models. For this one, it's called 7i, and we got 28 liters for the storage space. You can see how big it is, and for carry-on cabin size. And you can put your laptop here. And I'm really proud of our signature part, which is our battery part. Let me show you the battery. What's going on in the battery? It's a movable battery. Let me show you. So our battery is below 100 WH, so that means we can take on an airplane. So it's definitely safe, and this can be the power bank and charge your phone and laptop, so it's very convenient. Yes, price? Yes. So the retail price in our website is we sell like the $799, but in the CES show we sell like the special offer price is for this model is $360, and for the other model is $350. So just $10 different, and because they got a different capacity storage space. For that one is the 26. For that one is 28. So that's why the price difference. So this one is the forward. This one is brake, and the maximum speed is about 8 miles per hour. So it's pretty fast and powerful. Let me drive around to show how fast it is. Yeah, just be careful when you make a turn. So it's very interesting, very fun. So our load capacity weight is about 250 pounds. So equal to kilogram is the 115 kilogram. Yes.